Hey everyone, it's Tyler once again for 643. You guys got me out of bed in my underwear for a box of 1617 Ice. The wife and I were already firing up Fight Club. Started it last night and we were going to finish it, but she's on to Downton Abbey, so let's go ahead and break this box of ice. Here's the team list for you guys. After that, too much information. We're going to spin the wheel for the Toronto Maple Leafs. Netriders got the Jets. I feel a Patrick Laine coming in this box. We'll see what we can do. Good point, Brian. Good point. Alright, let's spin the wheel and give away the Leafs. Good luck, you guys. Toronto Maple Leafs going to the Minnesota Wild. Minnesota is Lennox Matt. Just trying to clean up the buy it now, and he gets himself the Toronto Maple Leafs. Congratulations. Yeah, I'm going to have to do a memorabilia card. Alright, Lennox Matt. Looking for a Matthews, or a Nylander, or a Marner. Whoa, that was a mistake. Oh boy, I'm in too deep now. There we go. Alright. Let's go, boys. Todd. Okay, here we go. First hit gets a 643 collector card. The last hit out of the pack is going to get a free spot out of black. This is a Rey Mysterio box. Serial number ending in 619. For you wrestling fans. Good luck, everyone. Alright, pack number 1. First hit is for the New York Rangers, Jimmy Vesey, Sub-Zero rookie. That's going to Gilroy, one of the better rookies last year, or this year I guess. 643 collector card for Gilroy. It is a 643 Stanley Cup Champions autograph of George Peros. On card auto. That one is number 2 out of 3. Congratulations, Gilroy and the New York Rangers. I should mention the 3+ stock exchange extra stocks going to B. Martin, Gilroy, Golfnut, Lennox Matt, Netrider, Sean, and Thurm. Golfnut got 3 extra stocks in the buy it now. We've got an autograph of Ryan Spooner for the Boston Bruins, going to none other than Boston PC enthusiast Sean 1989. Ooh, how about a rookie Jumbo's patch of Dylan Strome, number 9 out of 15, going to the Arizona Coyotes and Renault. Congratulations, Netrider. Nice rookie relic patch there for ya. Ruby Parallel. I'm guessing that'll be the hit of the box. We've got another hit for the Bruins. Danton Hennon. Premiers numbered out of 499. Going to Boston. Spacer. We got a Avalanche, Chris Biggrass, number to 1299. That's going to Todd. Congratulations, Todd. Let me know if I butchered his name. Ice Premiers. And the last card. Good luck, everyone. Last card standing gets a free spot in black. First of all, we've got a Winnipeg Jets rookie premiere of Brandon Tanev, numbered out of 999. That one's going to Netrider for the Jets. Got a Sub-Zero of Zach Parise going to the Minnesota Wild and Matt. And the last card standing is the Arizona Coyotes, Oliver Ekman-Larsson. Arizona winner chicken dinner of this break. You got the last card standing, free spot in a box of Upper Deck Black. Alright guys, thanks a lot for participating. Thanks for selling this one out tonight. So Arizona was Netrider 54. Have a good night, you guys. We'll see you tomorrow. Big Ra, got it. I will forget that for next time, but I'll try.